can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it.
Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Steel and Style Garage, where we turn ordinary rides into extraordinary statements. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kia Soul modifications, a quirky canvas waiting for your creative touch. Don't even think about skipping ahead, because we've saved 3 mind-blowing custom souls for the end that will completely redefine what you thought possible with this unique platform. These builds push boundaries so far, you'll question if they're even the same vehicle underneath. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and join our growing community of car modification lovers. Trust me, you don't want to miss our weekly transformation videos and build breakdowns. Let's kick things off by exploring why the Soul has become such a sleeper hit in the modification scene, with its boxy design offering unlimited potential for personalization. What started as an economical commuter has evolved into a cult favorite among modders looking for something different. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and prepare to be inspired by what's possible when imagination meets mechanical know-how. What's your take on Kia Soul mods? Drop a comment below. We love hearing about your projects. The Kia Soul's unique proportions make it a perfect candidate for the JDM stance treatment, creating a striking fusion of Korean engineering and Japanese aesthetic principles. By dropping the Soul on a set of quality coilovers or air suspension, you instantly transform its silhouette into something that commands attention at meets and on streets alike. Pairing this lowered stance with wide, aggressively offset wheels, think Workmeisters, Volks, or SSRs, tucked perfectly under rolled fenders, creates that unmistakable Japanese-inspired look that breaks necks wherever it goes. Adding subtle body modifications like a front lip, side skirts, and a ducktail spoiler completes the metamorphosis without overwhelming the Soul's distinctive shape. The finishing touches for a proper JDM-styled Soul come from the details: tinted windows, smoked taillights, and subtle vinyl accents that honor the minimalist Japanese approach to automotive art. Many builders opt for a clean monochrome color scheme or subtle metallic finishes that highlight the body lines rather than distract from them. Have any of you attempted a JDM-inspired build on your Soul? We'd love to see your progress photos in the comments section. Remember, the true spirit of JDM styling isn't just about looks, it's about creating harmony between form and function, something the Soul's practical design already embraces. Transforming your Kia Soul into a muscle car tribute might seem unconventional, but that's exactly what makes it such a head-turning build direction. Start with a more aggressive power plant, either through forced induction on the stock engine, or for the truly committed, an engine swap that brings American V8 rumble to this compact Korean frame. The exterior transformation focuses on widened fenders, hood scoops, or cowls that suggest serious power underneath, and a muscular stance achieved through wider wheels with meaty tires that fill those wheel wells completely. A custom dual exhaust system with throaty mufflers completes the auditory experience that announces your arrival long before you're seen. Paint choices play a crucial role in selling the muscle car aesthetic. Think bold racing stripes over vibrant colors like competition orange, electric blue, or classic gloss black with matte accents. Inside, bucket seats, a short throw shifter, and performance gauges transform the driving experience from commuter to commander. This style is all about making a statement that defies expectations and category limitations. What's your dream muscle-inspired soul build? Would you go for classic 60s muscle vibes or a more modern Hellcat-inspired approach? Share your thoughts below, and let's debate the best direction for bringing American muscle heritage to this distinctive Korean platform. The European approach to Kia Soul modification emphasizes clean lines, performance-oriented engineering, and sophisticated styling that elevates this humble Korean box to premium territory. Unlike flashier modification styles, Euro tuning focuses on subtle body modifications like discrete lip spoilers, side skirts, and rear diffusers that improve aerodynamics while maintaining a restrained aesthetic. The suspension setup typically involves quality components from renowned European manufacturers like Bilstein, H&R, or KW, providing a balance between comfortable ride quality and precision handling that's perfect for both spirited backroad drives and daily commuting. The wheel choice typically leans toward high-quality forged options in sensible sizes, often from respected European brands like BBS, Schmidt, or Ozy Racing. Under the hood, Euro-style Soul builds prioritize smooth power delivery over raw numbers with careful ECU tuning, upgraded intake and exhaust systems, and occasionally modest forced induction setups that enhance performance without sacrificing reliability. The interior receives equal attention, often upgraded with premium materials, subtly bolstered seats, and enhanced sound dampening for a more refined driving experience. Have any of you incorporated European tuning philosophy into your builds? We'd love to hear how you've balanced performance improvements with everyday usability in your projects. Remember, the essence of Euro tuning isn't about making the loudest or most visually extreme vehicle. It's about creating a driver's car that performs brilliantly while flying slightly under the radar. The VIP approach to modifying a Kia Soul completely reimagines this affordable commuter as a premium lounge on wheels, focusing on opulence and attention to detail that rivals luxury marques. Begin with a proper stance, typically achieved through air suspension that allows for dramatic lows when parked but practical ride height when driving, paired with large diameter wheels featuring minimal offset for that commanding presence. The exterior receives subtle yet impactful modifications: custom grills, chrome or piano, black trim accents, and often a respray in deep, rich colors like midnight blue, burgundy, or black pearl that come alive under different lighting conditions. Window tint, often with a slight front-to-back gradient, adds to the exclusive, privacy-focused aesthetic that defines VIP culture. The interior transformation is where VIP-styled souls truly shine, with complete reupholstering in premium materials like leather, alcantara, or even more exotic options. Custom wood or carbon fiber interior panels replace plastic trim pieces, while ambient lighting systems create a nightclub-like atmosphere when cruising after dark. Entertainment and comfort upgrades might include custom audio builds, rear seat entertainment systems, and sometimes even small refrigerators or other luxury amenities. What luxury features would you prioritize in your VIP soul build? Would you focus on exterior presence or interior opulence? Let us know in the comments. We're always fascinated by the different interpretations of luxury across our Steel and Style community. When budget constraints disappear, the Kia Soul becomes an unlimited canvas for automotive artistic expression and engineering marvels that defy categorization. Imagine a completely custom tube chassis underneath, supporting a mid-mounted supercharged LS engine or perhaps even an electric drivetrain conversion pushing over 1,000 horsepower to all four wheels through a sophisticated AWD system. The body itself might remain recognizable as a soul in silhouette only, with every panel custom fabricated from carbon fiber, featuring dramatically widened fenders, aggressive aerodynamic elements, and gullwing or butterfly doors that transform the entrance experience. Advanced active aerodynamics, similar to those found on hypercars, could adjust automatically based on speed and driving conditions. The interior would be equally revolutionary, featuring a custom-designed cockpit with bespoke digital instrumentation, racing-inspired controls, and materials typically reserved for supercars and luxury yachts. Performance capabilities would push boundaries with carbon ceramic brakes, motorsport-derived suspension systems with multiple adjustability modes, and perhaps even active ride height adjustment that can slam the vehicle for high-speed runs or raise it for practical urban navigation. What would your dream unlimited budget soul build look like? Would you focus on outrageous performance, show-stopping visual impact, or technological innovation that pushes the platform into the future? Drop your wildest soul modification dreams in the comments. No idea is too extreme. Conceptualizing the future of soul modification means embracing cutting-edge technologies and design philosophies that might seem fantastical today, but could become commonplace tomorrow. Envision a soul whose exterior features color shifting, paint technology that responds to temperature, light conditions, or even driver preferences via smartphone control. The traditional greenhouse could be replaced with electrochromic glass that changes transparency on demand, while exterior lighting employs advanced OLED technology to create signature light patterns that are both functional and artistic. Aerodynamic elements might integrate active components that physically transform based on speed and driving conditions, optimizing efficiency without compromising the soul's distinctive shape. Inside this concept, soul, traditional displays give way to augmented reality projections across the windshield and side windows, eliminating the need for physical gauges while providing contextual information about the surrounding environment. Seating arrangements could feature rotation capabilities that transform the interior from traditional driving configuration to a lounge-like setup when parked or in autonomous mode. What forward-thinking modifications would you want to see become reality in the next generation of custom souls? Are you excited about the integration of AI, alternative powertrains, or revolutionary materials in future builds? Share your predictions. In the comments section, your idea might just inspire the next great innovation in our community. Throughout this journey exploring the incredible modification potential of the Kia Soul, we've witnessed how this unassuming vehicle can transform into virtually anything its owner can imagine. From JDM-inspired street presence to American muscle, attitude, European precision to VIP luxury, and even into the realm of concept cars and unlimited budget builds, the Soul proves that automotive expression knows no boundaries when passion meets creativity. These transformations represent more than just aesthetic changes. They reflect personal journeys, technical achievements, and the beautiful diversity within car culture that makes our community so special. The most successful builds we've seen combine influences from different styles into something truly unique, something that carries the builder's personal signature. As we wrap up today's video, remember that your modification journey doesn't need to fit neatly into any category we've discussed. The best builds start with a vision that's authentically yours. If you enjoyed this exploration of Kia Soul modifications, smash that like button and share this video with fellow enthusiasts who might be looking for inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to Steel and Style Garage for weekly content celebrating automotive creativity in all its forms. Until our next video, keep breaking boundaries, challenging conventions, and building the car of your dreams, not someone else's. What's your next modification project? Let us know in the comments below and we might feature your build in an upcoming video.